In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and use a formula column in Monday.com. To get started, open your Monday.com board where you want the calculation to appear. Make sure you're on the correct board before making any changes, especially if you manage multiple projects or workflows. The formula column is useful when you want Monday.com to automatically calculate values based on other columns in your board, which can save time and reduce manual errors. Once your board is open, look for the plus icon that allows you to add a new column. This is usually located to the right side of your existing columns. Click that plus icon to begin adding a new column to your board. Monday.com will then show you different column types that you can choose from. In the search area, type formula. This helps quickly narrow down the list, especially if you have many available column options. When you see the formula column appear in the results, select it to add it to your board. After you do that, the new formula column will be added alongside your other columns. Next, click into the formula settings. This is where you'll define the calculation you want Monday.com to perform. The formula editor allows you to reference values from other columns in the same board. So before entering anything, it helps to know exactly which columns you want to use in your calculation. For example, you might be calculating totals, percentages, date differences, or other values based on the data already in your board. Now enter your formula using the relevant board columns. As you type, be careful to select the correct column names and use the proper formula structure. Even a small typo can affect the result, so it's a good idea to review what you entered before saving. If your board uses several similarly named columns, double check that you're referencing the right ones. Once your formula is ready, save it. Monday.com will then apply that formula and automatically calculate the result for each item based on the values in the columns you used. After saving, take a moment to check the calculated result and confirm that it matches what you expect. If something looks off, go back into the formula settings and adjust the expression as needed. That's it. You've successfully added a formula column in Monday.com and used it to automate calculations directly inside your board. This is a simple but powerful way to make your workflows more efficient and keep your data accurate without doing the math manually.